Hi guys, this is Derek with Automatic Thorn Hardware. Today I'm going to show you how to ohm out a motor, and we are specifically looking at the Stanley Magic Force. So what you're going to want and what you're going to need is a multimeter here, and we are going to want to set this to ohms here. Make sure you are plugged in on the ohms and not the amps over here. And you should see it overload when they're not touched, because infinite resistance, and then when they touch you should get basically a short zero. So now how to check these is we are going to go on the hot and the neutral and on one of these probes here. So first off, what we're going to want to do, I have it out on a bench here. If you're working on it up at a door, make sure you shut the power off to the unit. First shut the power off, and then you can remove it from the power close module. You will see it plugged into one of these here, either J1 or J2. Just unplug it from there after you have the power off. What we're looking for is the motor to be within 10 to 16 ohms, and that signifies a good motor. If you have more resistance, it's likely that that's on its way out. If you have less resistance, then you're getting close to short, which could fry the controller. So again, what we're going to look for here are the neutral and the power wire here. So we're going to be going in on the white and black terminals, and it doesn't matter what you use on your probes. It's not polarity sensitive or anything, so it's just checking resistance. So we're going to go one in the neutral and then one in hot. And you can see right here, I am getting 17.8 ohms roughly. You'll see it kind of fluctuate like that sometimes, but you can see this motor is out of spec. So we would recommend replacing that. Is this what's causing your issue right now for your door not to operate? Possibly. That is one way we check these, but there could also be other things going on. Thank you for watching.